I was saying earlier, it was a picture-perfect day across central Georgia, and now we're looking at some partly cloudy skies across the region as the front continues to slide on through central Georgia. 54 degrees, the current number, winds out of the south-southeast at about 5 miles an hour for now, but again, that's going to change here in just a few moments. Temperatures across the region, we got 53 in Byron, 52 Fort Valley, 48 over in Thomaston, 51 in Gray this evening, as well as in Jeffersonville. Down to the south, we've got 54 in Unadilla, 55 in Butler, 51 in Wrightsville, and already down to 49 there in Lawrence County this evening. So live radar across central Georgia is quiet. Head down towards the coast. There is some rain down Interstate 16 closer to Savannah and some more along the coast in the Carolinas and then down into Florida. But look at this cooler air coming in behind it. 27 already in Nashville, 36 in Columbus, Mississippi, and at the freezing point in Little Rock, Arkansas right now. So through the overnight hours, look for some passing clouds. Then once we get into tomorrow morning, this model earlier was showing a few showers possibly sweeping through central Georgia. I still think that's possible. So we've got a 10% chance of rain tomorrow morning, but then some extremely dry air ushers into central Georgia, and it will be windy outside. That means we do have the concern for potentially some fire weather conditions. I'll talk more about that here in just a second. But dry into the start of the week, getting down near the freezing mark on Monday morning, and then here we go into Monday afternoon. Temperatures beginning to rebound as we start a warming trend into next week. Next week is going to be a pretty active weather week, especially once we get into the latter part of the week. So you see Tuesday and Wednesday mostly quiet, only a slim chance of rain here with maybe a few scattered showers across the region. But this is our next front taking shape early Thursday morning. Notice the rain beginning to move into central Georgia, and then maybe some storms sliding through the region, and strong storms at that as we head into Thursday night and Friday morning, and then some lingering rain Friday morning and clearing out by Friday afternoon. So we'll be watching that this week. As of now, it does look like we have the potential for maybe some strong storms across the region and some heavy rainfall. Anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain will be possible as we again get into the later parts of the week. Now, the fire weather that I was just talking about, it looks like the next 3 days or so conditions will be favorable for it. That means we'll have dry air, gusty winds, and some dry vegetation across the region. So as of now, we are not advising burning anything Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday across central Georgia. So if you have any prescribed berms scheduled, go ahead and postpone those because it does look like the conditions will be favorable for potentially for that to spread and maybe even a few wildfires across the region. Tomorrow, sit back, relax, and enjoy the Super Bowl. It's going to be 57 here in Macon. Again, about a 10% chance of rain in the morning hours, but over in Los Angeles, 86 degrees. And in fact, in LA, this 86 has the potential to be one of the warmest Super Bowls on record, so we'll be watching for that tomorrow. Plenty of sun there in the Golden State. Into tonight, headed down into the 40s fairly quickly. I do think we get down to 42 before all is said and done. Again, that front is arriving and the cooler air is arriving now. Then for tomorrow, that slim morning rain chance and the fire danger during the afternoon hours with those winds out of the northwest, 15 to 20 miles an hour. Also going to be very dry outside tomorrow as well. 7 days shapes up like this. Valentine's Day, about 59 degrees, and then here comes that warming trend into the latter part of the weekend. 74 by the time we get to Thursday with a 60% chance of rain. That's that strong storm threat we're watching, and then back down into the 60s by the time we get to Friday and Saturday. Connor, spring is coming. That means golf season kicking back into full swing.
Indeed, Alex.